What if the world we live in isn't collapsing by accident? What if every crisis, every shortage, every lockdown, every economic crash was part of a carefully crafted plan? A plan the elites call the Great Reset. And whether you believe it or not, the blueprint is already being put into place, shaping your life right now. The term Great Reset exploded in 2020 when the World Economic Forum, the WEF, unveiled it during the pandemic. On the surface, it was framed as a noble idea: rebuild economies, tackle climate change, and usher in a sustainable future. But many believe it's not about saving humanity. It's about reshaping it, reprogramming society into something new, something controlled. Think about money. For centuries, cash meant freedom. It was anonymous, private, and untraceable. Now, the Great Reset pushes for a world without cash, replaced by Central Bank Digital Currencies, or CBDCs. On paper, it sounds modern, efficient, but digital currency isn't just money, it's control. Imagine your spending tracked in real time. Imagine your account frozen instantly for posting the wrong opinion. That's not science fiction. Governments and central banks are already testing these systems worldwide. But control doesn't stop at money. The reset is tied directly to a new surveillance grid. Smart cities filled with cameras that track your every move. Facial recognition, AI-driven databases, and digital IDs that store not just who you are, but what you do. Proponents say it's about safety and efficiency. But ask yourself, who controls the system and who gets locked out of it? In 2016, WEF founder Klaus Schwab made a statement that sent shockwaves across the world. You will own nothing and you will be happy. The vision is a future where property rights vanish, where homes, cars, even basic goods are shared instead of owned. To some, it's sold as equality, but to others, it sounds like the perfect system for eliminating independence and replacing it with dependency. And here's where it gets chilling. We've already seen test runs. During the pandemic, entire nations were locked down. Freedoms vanished overnight, businesses shuttered, lives controlled, all in the name of safety. But were those really temporary measures or a trial run for something permanent? In China, social credit scores already dictate whether citizens can travel, borrow money, or even get certain jobs. Your behavior, your opinions, your loyalty turned into data points that determine how much freedom you're allowed. Is that a glimpse of what the reset looks like in practice? And here's the deeper layer. The reset isn't just about money or power. It's about programming the mind. Think about how media campaigns shift public opinion, how fear can make people accept restrictions they'd never tolerate in normal times. Every crisis becomes a chance to condition us, to shape our responses, to make us comply. Social engineering at a global scale. One fear at a time, one crisis at a time. Until the new normal doesn't feel new anymore, it just feels normal. So, where does it all lead? Biometric IDs, digital health passports, artificial intelligence making decisions once left to humans, and emerging tech that could blur the line between man and machine brain-computer interfaces, wearable devices, neural monitoring. Tools sold as progress, but with the potential to create a population that's not just monitored, but programmed. The Great Reset may be framed as a solution, but ask yourself, a solution for who? Is it really about saving the planet or about consolidating power into fewer and fewer hands? Because history has shown us one thing: when freedom is traded for convenience, freedom never comes back. This is Uncharted Secrets, where we reveal the hidden truths they don't want you to know in 5 minutes or less. Subscribe now, because if the reset is already happening, awareness may be the last defense we have left.